Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Thinkorswim account. First, navigate to the official TD Ameritrade website to begin your application. You'll need to select the account type that best suits your needs, whether it's an individual, joint, or retirement account. Make sure you have your personal details ready, including your social security number or taxpayer identification number, and employment information. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. After selecting your account type, proceed to fill out the comprehensive online application. Provide accurate personal and financial information, including your investment experience and risk tolerance. Once completed, carefully review all details before submitting. Next, you'll need to fund your account. You can typically do this via an electronic funds transfer from your bank, a wire transfer, or by mailing a check. A minimum deposit, often $50, is usually required to start trading. Once your application is submitted, TD Ameritrade will begin the verification process. This often involves confirming your identity and reviewing the information you provided. Approval usually takes a few business days, but can vary. You might receive a request for additional documents if anything is unclear. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation that your account has been approved and is ready for you to access the Thinkorswim platform. With your account approved and funded, you're ready to access the powerful Thinkorswim platform. You can download the desktop application or use the web-based version. Log in using the credentials you created during the application process. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the extensive features, such as advanced charting tools, real-time data, and various order types. Practice with paper money before trading live to build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.